Take a ride in the 2023 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.